So here I'm going to assign W to be the wage, the fixed wage of this employee that he hires. And he purchases some pens at rupees 8 each. So he sells 100 of these pens at 12 each. So on these 100 pens, his profit will be the difference between his cost and the selling price, which is 12, which is 4. So he made 400 rupees profit on this part. The thing is, the remaining pens are sold at 11 each. So let's say the total was N. 100 pens were sold at profit of $4 each. The remaining would be N minus 100. And these were sold at 11 each. So profit in each pen is 3 rupees, which means total profit would be 3 times N minus 100. So in this case, he makes net profit of 300. So now net profit would be the profit for these two portions, 400 plus for those remaining pens. And then I have to subtract the wage, the fixed wage of this employee, and that gives me a net profit of 300. Then we have the second scenario that if the pens were sold at 9 rupees each, so he still has the 400 profit from the 100 pens, and now 9 each, he will make 1 rupees per pen times N minus 100. So that would be the gain. But then you have to subtract the fixed wage again, and that leads to a loss, and that loss is minus 300. So this is our set of equations, and we can use that to figure out W. We can actually, what I'm going to do is easiest is subtract. You can try to get to W directly, but I think that's easier, cleaner. So we'll get 2 times N minus 100. These would drop out, and this would become 600. So N minus 100 is 300 dividing by 2. And that means N is 400. And then to figure out W, I'll just plug it into the first one. So 400 plus 400 minus 100 is 300. Minus W is 300. Move the W here. 400 plus 900 minus 300, which would turn out to be 1,000 rupees.